Hey everybody, Chris at Ujoint. Just finishing up this 2014 E250 Cargo 5.4. Van is actually staying here in North Carolina, which is cool. We don't get a lot in our area, so we're happy to have it. So specs: 6-inch leaf conversion on 35-inch Toyo RT tires, Pro Comp wheels. Front axle is a stage 2 with the RSC upgrade. 456 gears, Detroit True Trac, big boy brakes, 14.5-inch diameter, serviceable wheel bearings, all that good stuff. It is a progressive leaf spring front and rear to get that nice ride. Crossover steering, all the usual Ujoint goodies. Aluminess front bumper with a worn VR12S winch. Hella black magic lights. There's a front OBA port. Been using all these Factor 55 shackle mounts, clean up the front end a little bit. Fox 2.0, all the standard conversion stuff. Tranny came out, got a full upgrade, heavy duty torque converter, NV271 behind that, Aluminess nerf bars, bushwhacker flares. Had the rockers done at Rhino. Let's see, underneath we've got our OBA compressor and mount, OBA tank, shot of the T-case. Fox 2.0's in the rear, 6-inch lift progressive springs. ARB air locker in the rear axle, 456s of course. Aluminess rear with the deluxe box. This van we did do our rear skid system with the Deka 8A4D battery. It's got a solenoid that ties it into the factory system, constant duty solenoid, so when the ignition's on, both batteries are linked together. When they're off, the house battery is isolated. We did an S-Pod to run all the accessories. There's the switch panel. And that's it. Super nice van, ready for adventure. I'm not sure what, I think they're doing a camper interior. I'm not 100% sure. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Shoot me an email, chris@ujointoffroad.com. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I post a lot of build pics and cool stuff there. Thanks for the support, and hope you have a good day. Thanks.